All right, guys, today we're going to be reviewing a MagSafe car holder. Here's what comes in the box. This is a pretty cool one. Let's see if I can open this box. Oh, God. What we got here, we got a template to stick the magnet to your phone or your phone case. If your phone is not MagSafe, it has some wipes to clean your phone clean or your case. And it has a manual to show you how to install it and where to put it and how to do it. And then we have the mount right here. Here's how it looks. It's pretty nice. Has carbon fiber here in the where it sticks. You can do 360 degrees. If you can see it, it's compact. You can lay it down. That's how big it is. It has the suction cup right here. Is you peel this off, then you stick it in your dash or in your windshield or anywhere you want in your car, or if you want to use it inside the house. You can put it in your bathroom mirror if you are like a lot of people that like to watch shows and stuff while they get ready in the morning or whenever. So yeah, it's very well made. It's you can tell they use great materials to use this. The suction cup is very thick. It says in the listing that has technology that makes them get a lot of suction, and it won't come off once you put it in your car on your dash. It won't get loose, and like I don't know if you have any before. I have some before, and they're strong when you put them on, but then once they start getting heat and stuff, they just fall off, and you'll be driving, and all of a sudden your phone is on the ground. But yeah, this one has a lock. Once you stick it, you turn it and it locks it. So it will lock the suction, and then to unlock it, you can just go the other way and it will get loose. It has a little diagram here that you can see lock and unlock, and then the same thing with the suction ring. You can see it right there. So definitely a great buy. If you, like I said, if you don't have a phone that has MagSafe that will stick to this, you can use these. You center it on the phone. Mind you, you have to check how high your dashboard is, so like that it won't rub against the bottom of this, or you will have to move it like that if you want to see it from your car. But you have to center this with what it depends on how your car dashboard is. Sometimes if you set it up wrong, then it will just fall down here and you won't be able to see it. To use a portrait like this, but you'll be able to use it like that, but not like the other way. But yeah, it turns, you can see here, turns easily 360 degrees. So that's very convenient. It's strong because I have a case and it goes through the case and it won't fall. So it's really strong. I have used some before that once you go like this, it falls off, but this one is really strong. So definitely recommend it. If you're looking for a MagSafe car holder that is well made, a great price, it will stick to anything, and it works perfectly 360 degrees, so you can put it on however you want. Clothes like this, or if you want to use it like this, it has a lot of use. Definitely recommend it. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.